So kung mag-a-apply ka ng tatlong objects, let's just simplify things so that you can understand as clear as possible. Okay? You don't render it to the point na pareho kayo ng shade na lahat. Kasi nalunod na yung details. Ano yung details na nalunod? Ang nalunod na details dyan ay ito. So you don't render that portion. What you can do is probably apply contrast directly. Okay, so for example, this is just the simple boxes with application. Dito sa ilalim, probably I'll work with a deeper or darker tonal value, light. Okay, probably I'll work with that. Then mula dito, probably I'll go with the lighter tone. Then pagdating dun sa gilid, meron akong preserve na lighter colors. So which is this one. So I can still play with this para maging dominant siya. And this is preserved. Pwede ko pa siyang lagyan ng konting tone. Pero preserve na yung gilid. So the application that we wanted to have is alternate application. Ano yung alternate application? Dark, light,